Alright, so here's the afternoon update. Lots of progress today, outside and inside. So this is oh, thought it was going to be deeper than that. The guy who was standing in there was up to his waist, it looked like, but I guess not. Okay, so, holy crap, this is, as someone suggested, I need to call this the Jenny's Remix Room instead of the studio. I like that idea. It's definitely getting remixed right now. God. Oh, they put all that dirt on a mat. Look at that. God. I think this is the same. Oh, God. Now it's dug out a lot more. Ugh. I don't think anything happened in here now. Wow. All right.